Oh no, this is gonna be Cozy Corner with Travis.
Nope.
The new YouTube series.
No, thank you. Unless you're paying me extra. Now that we got Jeff's 68 Chevelle all painted, we're going to go ahead and get the motor prepped and get all the front runner and little pieces all prepped up and get it painted.
What color we gonna paint it?
We're going to paint it orange.
Orange.
What's the Hugger orange? We're going to paint it Chevy Hugger orange. There you go. You can mush that together and make something out of it.
Better come get me. Better come get me.
Nope.
You better come get me, T-Rav.
Nope.
Get me.
Nope. I think you just need to move your office back here so that you're always ready, Kev.
This whole shop's my office.
No, it's not. You'll be okay.
I thought that was the color we decided on. That's close to Hugger orange.
You're close. Close up.
I can't.
Extreme close up.
That's too close. I mean, that's orange.
Well, yeah, it's orange. The last 10 of these are orange.
Well,
Fine.
that's the closest to the Hugger orange, though.
I think it's pretty close. Lower hat.
Take this off.
Hang over it, or you want to take the whole sticker?
Take the sticker off.
Okay.
I don't want to leave that on there.
There's one on the end. Well, here's one back on.
Look at that.
Professional.
It's got stuff that. We'll take this and stick it with this paperwork.
Okay. Lower curb, lower motor mounts, water pump, valve covers.
Yep.
Got the base of the valve covers put on the motor. Everything else, I'm pretty sure, is pulleys and accessories.
Yes. Yeah. So you got a bunch of black up to this.
Yeah, that whole thing will be. These guys always want to wear black.
Yeah. 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 And our air intake is going to come off of this.
Yeah, so it'll just be
Yeah.
the body and the pulley.
Let's see. Yeah, I mean, you could go either way. I just think with this being black, this will kind of blend in a little bit.
Here a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. What about this butterfly control here? Do I need to make that, tape that up?
I would tape this up, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, don't let that get painted. And what mates on this surface here? Does this need to be masked off?
That's a good question. I will have to ask about that.
Yeah, let's see what mates there and then tape that up. Should be good to go. All right, T-Rav.
14. So usually we just epoxy it, let it flash, base it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know about the flash times on the epoxy.
No.
I would ask Dan how much time he's waiting, but
Okay.
you got to be careful with that.
That's why I went back over those. I had Connor Scotch brite them, and then as I was taping them, I'm like, no, that's bringing back bad memories.
But the gray epoxy, you'll be okay with the gray epoxy.
Yeah.
All right, mister.
Yeah, I'll figure out about that mating surface.
Yeah.
I'll text Dan and see what he's been doing on flash time.
All right, buddy. Do it up.
Okay.
Do you do a spray out card first, or you just?
No, I'm gonna go in and epoxy everything, and then I'm gonna do a coat of this, even if it's not exactly what we end up wanting. At least it'll be a ground coat. Do a spray out of it while I'm doing that, and then we'll check the color one more time to the car to make sure we're happy with the color. And I'll either finish spraying or find a new color.
That should get us close at least.
Yes, this will be. I mean, it's the spray out that Charles wants. So as long as it doesn't look too, like this looks more pumpkin to me than the spray out. But we'll see.
So it's 9:40. How long do we wait?
10 to 15 minutes being said. So we're gonna go in 10. See what it looks like.
And we can spray color.
Then I'm gonna be ready to spray color. What do you want, Tim? You're so like needy.
Don't you hide from me?
Why? What do you want?
I don't know. I'm just showing shit.
What I'm doing? Wiping gun down.
Got clean.
Get my fingerprints off it so Dan doesn't know I used it.
I forgot that I'm filming all the evidence.
Ah, fuck. That wasn't me, I promise. What was that?
Your face real quick.
That Shaggy song, it wasn't me. Caught me cleaning this primer gun. It wasn't me.
So it wasn't you.
I like it. I mean, you think about all this in the engine bay, you know. It's supercharger being painted the color too. It's a lot of orange. So
Yeah.
and it's a little more muted than the other colors. So I think I'm good with it.
They look, I like it. It looks really good on the motor and stuff.
Yeah. Are you just saying that because you're the painter?
No, I don't want to be the painter.
You gotta get some tattoos, man. Get a painter.
Why?
Get a painter?
You don't got no tattoos. You paint.
I know.
Well, tattoos that I know of,
Oh,
anyway.
I got lots. They're all tucked like they're here. They're here. No, I like the color. I think you're good, man.
Okay.
Nice job.
Shiny, clear.
Yeah, shiny clear. Yep.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more build videos like this, help us out by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. And it's a little thing to do, but don't forget to turn on those notifications. If you want to buy merch, go to store.classiccarstudio.com. See you next time.
Yeah, I'll play some sexy music in the background.
Whoa! If any of that ends up on the internet, tell them to kill you.
Challenge accepted.
I know where you sit every day.